In the office of Völkl Performance Wear in Penzberg, Bavaria, close to the biggest German ski resort Garmisch-Partenkirchen Zugspitze Arena, we create our newest collection together with trend scouts, designers, team riders, and skiers. After discussing about the future ski look and the technical needs, we start sketching our garments, certainly always bearing in mind the traditional history of Völkl skis. We select colors, trims, and other accessories not only by look, but by the best performance and stable quality. The handcraft designs are transferred into technical drawings and detailed description about pockets, hoods, cords, etc. Next, a production management team is working on the color range. The world's best skiwear manufacturers are in the Far East. The whole infrastructure is there. All suppliers have offices in town. Hong Kong is, since more than 30 years, the main capital of textile production and a multicultural melting pot with fashion and trend stores like nowhere else in the world. We hand over our worksheets to our suppliers. We explain in detail what we expect and how we interpret the designs in order to make the first developments. Mainland China. The short distances for fabrics and trims to travel guarantee a fast production, a good working relation between the dedicated suppliers, and last but not least, an environmental friendly production. The development of the Völkl Performance Wear collection is imposed only upon the best suppliers in the world. They need to provide a supreme code of conduct to their employees and to the environment. We expect high and good organization, no matter if it is in the office or in the production. Clean working places with bright light and excellent air circulation is obligatory. First prototypes are presented in the office of our suppliers. We discuss in detail about workmanship and detailed positioning of trims. 2 to 4 prototypes are necessary to receive an excellent sample. After confirmation, the salesman's sample production can begin. On certified mannequins for men and ladies, we make our final size check in order to shape the garments perfectly to our customers' needs. Incoming fabric inspection, every centimeter of thousands of fabric meters is checked by an employee. They are looking out for dots and marks on the fabric or for flaws in weaving. In case of any defects, they cut out the damaged fabric and reorder the missing amount at the fabric mills. Before cutting, the fabric needs to be relaxed for at least from 24 up to 48 hours. A lot of elastic fabrics shrink after putting them on the cutting table. A few millimeters shrinkage can lead to an imperfect shape. Fabrics and trims arrive for production. Containers are unloaded and fabric is brought into the stock. Fabric rolls are prepared for the cutting. Layer by layer, the fabric will be prepared per size and per color. Every time after the cutting process, they need to check quality and quantity again. Laser cut is one of the working intensive parts of the production. Single or maximum double layers can be laser cut. Our logo is set into the laser-cut stencil. Precision is the key word. Otherwise, you can see gaps or small amounts of glue. Every print in the production, in this case our front label, is done with love and precision. It is stick to the fabric via heat transfer technique. The label is transferred to the jacket using heat and pressure. In the production of high technical sportswear, quality controls are indispensable. After the insert of the 3D logo, the logo needs to be pressed and heated to become a stable connection between the fabric and the 3D logo. With the same attention to the detail, we are inserting the bonded zippers. For producing a garment, you need passion and love to the detail, because every single working step is important for the outlook and the quality of the final garment. How to build a zipper garage? Of course, by hand. Our workers need to repeat this precise job hundreds of times to get this ultimate skill. The taping and sewing of all parts of the fabric are cut into small parts and get connected with handmade precision. With an enormous carefulness and concentration of the production workers, step by step the pieces of fabric become a jacket. Every inside pocket is made in the same way and in the same high-quality standard of Völkl performance wear. After the production worker finished the inside part and the outside part of the fabric, the connection between the inner and outer jacket can start. On every single jacket, the cord on the hem is threaded by hand. After completing the jacket, the production worker is doing a final size check to guarantee the highest possible quality. Non-conform jackets directly go back to the production. To guarantee the required function of the Völkl performance wear jackets, the garment production department executes final waterproof tests. Every single style is tested for hours in a heavy rain shower. After the waterproof test, the next test for the high-function jackets from Völkl performance wear begins. The washing test is to check the shrinkage, the color, and the bleeding out of the jacket. The washing test is repeated by 1, 5, 10, and 20 times. The QC department is checking the jackets before shipment in the last quality control. Finally, the jackets are packed in plastic bags to protect the goods. The new collection is ready for shooting, and the customers can enjoy the winter season with high-functional garments produced in a fair production place close to Heshan in China.